Ji. Welcome back to your English class. How are you all? You all are keeping well? Can you see someone new? You can see, na? Say hello. Now, we will do one energizer. We will do one rhymes, okay? And after that, we will start our class. Let's start. What is this? Teddy bear. And what is the rhyme related to teddy bear? Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. See how he's touching the ground? Like this, na? Then, teddy bear, polish your shoes. Then, where he will go? Teddy bear, off to school. You all go to school? Yes, you all go to school. You love to go to school? Yes. Teddy bear also loves to go to school. You know that? Now say bye-bye to teddy bear. We will start the class, okay? We will come again next day. Bye-bye. Now let's start. Till last class means from the beginning till last class. What we all have done? We have done phonic sound of A, E, I, O. Who is left in that group? First day I told you now, vowel group. Who is left? U. U is left, right? So today we are going to do the sound of U, phonic sound, okay? How we say or how we pronounce U when we talk about U? Say UP. Do we say up? No. What we say? Up. UP, up. We open our mouth and say, open your lip and say up. Done. If I say C-U-B, how will you pronounce? Cub. Cub. If I say T-U-B, tub, how many of you take bath in your tub? How many of you use? Do write to me in the comment box, okay? And when we will meet, I will ask you in the class also. T-U-B, tub. Shall I write? You want to see? T-U-B. So which sound we are doing? We are doing phonic sound U, right? C-U-B. How we pronounce? Cub. U-P. How we will pronounce it? Up. Done? B-U-G. Bug. Now, you will see the picture and I will say the word. Are you ready? Let's go. First one. What is it written here? You will see and you will see the picture also. First one. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. See, cute one, no small one. Right? Next. T-U-B, tub. Here, sky color tub is there. You have which color? Red, blue, green, yellow, purple. Which color? You know the colors, names, right? Write to me, okay? Next picture, what is that? B-U-N, bun. How many of you like to eat bun? Do you eat bun in your breakfast? Do you eat? Yes, you eat. I love to eat. How many of you like to eat? You are like? Good. Next, G-U-N, gun. Do you play with gun? Who is using this gun? Who can tell me? Who always keep this gun with them? Who's that? Police officers, right? They keep it with them to catch thieves, right? Next one. B-U-G, bug. Insect. B-U-G, bug. Then M-U-G, mug. You have seen mug. You use mug in the washroom, right? Next, H-U-T, hut. See the picture? Hut. Nice, no? Nice color. Then N-U-T, nut. Do you eat nut? Do you like nut? You should eat. Okay. Next, C-U-P, cup. Now, can you tell me what we drink or what we take in cup? we take coffee, tea. If you want to take milk in cup, you can, but be careful. Now next, what's this? P-U-P. We have done this when we were doing activity book. We have done this word. And what is the pronunciation? P-U-P, pup. Okay, see, cute one, na? Next, now the pronunciation will change. B-U-L-L. How we pronounce? We don't say bull. We say bull, right? B-U-L-L, bull. Okay? P-U-L-L. What? What we say? Pull means tano. Pull, pull, pull. Tano, tano, tano. Pull. Okay? So P-U-L-L, pull. B-U-L-L, bull. Done. All the pictures you have seen. Now say bye-bye to all the pictures. Said? Good. Now come to the phonic drill words. Means we will pronounce few words where the last letter remains same or the last two letters remains same. First one we will do U-B. So the first word is C-U-B, cub. Are you all repeating with me, after me? Repeating, na? Very good. Say C-U-B, cub. D-U-B, dub. H-U-B, hub. N-U-B, nub. R-U-B, rub. Rub. Rub the board. Rub the board. Right? Next. T-U-B, tub. Done? Understood? Next one. U-N. B-U-N. Bun. S-U-N. Sun. R-U-N. Run. F-U-N. Fun. Then G-U-N. Gun. N-U-N. None. Clear? Next one. U-G. Now how we are going to say this? B-U-G. Bug. H-U-G. Hug. M-U-G. Mug. J-U-G. Jug. R-U-G. Rug. T-U-G. Tug. Done? Next. U-T. Okay, let's say B-U-T. Butt. C-U-T. Cut. G-U-T. Gut. H-U-T. Hut. N-U-T. Nut. R-U-T. Rut. Done? Understood? I know all my UKG students are very smart. They have all understood, right? Then, now we will do U-P, up. Then, C-U-P, cup. Then, G-U-P, gup. D-U-P, dup. P-U-P, pup. S-U-P, sup. Done? So, all our pronunciation we have completed. Next, we will do oo. Oo pronunciation means B-U-L-L, bull. P-U-L-L, pull. Done? Now, F-U-L-L, full. Full. F-U-L-L, full. Done? Now, when we say D-U-L-L, we say dull. Okay, we don't say dull. Clear? When we say D-U-L-L, we say dull. Okay, keep this in mind. Whenever you will get this spelling, D-U-L-L, you will say dull. Clear? Now, come to page 17. 17. Page number 17. Which book, UKG? Systematic English. Now let's start. In this page, you will see question is given. Tick the correct picture. Means you have to tick like this. Where you have to tick in the correct picture. Now, parents derke ekটু bolchi, kindly note korben. First picture ta jeta ache, ota M-U-G, mug. লেখা আছে এরকম পিকচারটা ড্র করা আছে এন্ড এখানে লেখা আছে জাগ এটা জাগ নয় দিস ইজ মাগ সো কাট দিস এন্ড রাইট প্লিজ রাইট ইট মাগ ওকে প্লিজ ডু ইট ফর देम থ্যাংক ইউ let's start. First one is mug. M-U-G, mug. Where is the picture? Which picture? First picture is sun. Second picture is what? Mug. Third picture is what? Cup. So we will tick mark in the second picture. First, second, third. You will tick mark in the second picture. Okay? Next. Next picture is given bun. So first picture is not bun, right? It is tub. Then we have bun. Then we have pup. So you will tick mark the middle picture. Again second picture we will tick mark. Done. Now come to number 3. Number 3, sun. Now first picture is bug. Second picture is hut. So we will not tick mark. Which one we will tick mark? Sun we will tick mark at the end. See, last, third picture is sun. Done. Now question number 4, pup. First picture is pup. Second is nut. Third is gun. So we will tick mark first picture. Now I will show you. You will do it in this way. See. Can you see? Can you see it clearly? I have done it for you. Is it okay, UKG? Okay. Now, encircle the odd one out. Okay. Now, UKG, encircle the odd one out. This you have done in the previous chapters also, right? In one of the chapters you have done this. Means you have to circle which is not in the group. Odd one out means UG. Now which one is not UG? HUG, hug. RUG, rug. RUN. You will circle that. I will not do. This time UKG will do. Okay. Next one. ULL. BILL. BULL. FULL. So BILL is out of the group. Circle it. Now UN, BUN, NUN, NUB, not in the group. Circle it. Now UT, BUT, okay. DUP, GUT, okay. But DUP, okay? No. So circle that. And the last one, UB, MUG, no, not matching. HUB, okay. DUB, okay. So MUG, we will circle, right? So in page number 17, today UKG will do it by themselves. Encircle the odd one out. I have just explained. Now let me see how UKG is doing it. How I will get to know? You will send me the pictures. And I must say, I really appreciate most of the students are sending me all the pictures that we are doing it in the class. I mean in the video, whatever I am sending you, people are doing it. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Parents derke really thanks. আপনারা আমাকে পাঠাচ্ছেন ছবিগুলো। কন্টিনিউ করবেন, যা যা ক্লাসে করাচ্ছি এগুলো পাঠিয়ে দেবেন, ঠিক আছে, যাতে আমি কারেকশন করে দিতে পারি। আজকেরটাও পাঠিয়ে দেবেন। So we have completed page number 17. You will send this page to me as early as possible. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye-bye.